Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, June 26th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So gold today, I actually took this as a short because it definitely was a perfect three waves up. And if you saw my morning video, I was saying that if it goes up to that 61 or 50%, makes it engulfing down, that definitely would be a short. I did take that as a short today, but I ended up getting out because it turned back up. And I do see that there is a gap up here that still hasn't been filled. And this potentially could be like an expanding ABC right here. Like here's an A, B, C of B. Definitely a little bit of a higher high, definitely a little bit of a lower low. So it could for sure be an expanding ABC. If it is an expanding ABC, then it potentially is going to go up, grab these gap up here for the bigger wave C, right? Because you got an A, you got a B, you need the bigger wave C, and then maybe that's where it's going to potentially turn down. It definitely looks like that is the more likely scenario, but I got my Fibonacci retracement on from here to here because if it does respect one of these fib levels and turn down aggressively on the 1 hour time frame, it potentially could just keep on going down. I mean, the daily time frame is technically down right now, so I definitely would still primarily only really be looking for shorts in a downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked out here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.